How to kill bedbugs instantly. Several types of bedbugs or bed fleas or bed mites live on the blood of birds, animals, and humans. Due to being too small in size, they can easily hide and migrate with birds, clothing, even in travelers' luggage. They don't spread any diseases, but their bites can be aching, leaving the red spot, even lead to infection if not treated in the early stage. If you're allergic to bedbug bites, then the infection can be more serious. So, while you are infested, you should kill them as soon as possible. Remember, a professional exterminator is the best choice to kill bedbugs effectively. But it's expensive and not affordable for many people like me. So, we need an alternate way to kill them. For people who can't afford the high cost of a professional exterminator, this topic is for them. Read and follow carefully the description below to kill bedbugs yourself. Number 1. Lack of oxygen. Bedbugs can't survive where lack oxygen. That's why the National Pest Management Association advised all travelers to seal their luggage in plastic bags/containers to prevent any hiding bedbugs to survive during the journey. Even at your home, you can keep your luggage sealed for a few days to ensure the death of existing bedbugs, if any. Frequent travelers and their luggage are ideal places for bedbugs to hide and travel from one place to another. And thus they can spread everywhere. Nowadays 5-star hotels, airways, train, bus, etc. are also reported for bedbugs' existence. So, we should be very careful while traveling and wash well all the clothing before leaving the hotel. Number 2. Extreme heat. Extreme temperatures like hot or cold can instantly kill bedbugs. Bedbugs can't tolerate the heat over 97 degrees Fahrenheit generated from a clothing dryer, or steam cleaner. So, consider cleaning your bedding, mattress, and clothing with a steam cleaner. Also, clean your luggage with steam cleaner after a journey to kill bedbugs if any. Number 3. Extreme cold. Bedbugs can't survive at freezing temperatures. So, if you can keep your bedbug-infested materials in extreme cold, definitely they will die. But the problem is that most humans and animals also unable to survive at such temperatures. All of such infested items you can pack in plastic bags and keep inside a deep freezer for a few hours to ensure their death. Number 4. Insecticide dust or powder. Commercial insecticide also can kill them almost instantly. For the items you can't keep in the dryer, such as a mattress, bedding, sofa, etc., you can apply insecticide powder. It's a dust form of the insecticide such as deltamethrin or pyrethrin. Tips and warning. Read carefully and follow the instruction given on the label of insecticide. Apply in all the places you want to kill bedbugs. After the recommended period of time, remove the dust or powder with a vacuum cleaner. You may find live or dead bedbugs and their eggs with the dust. Take out all dust in a plastic bag, seal it, and throw it out in the trash. Disclaimer. No warranty of accuracy for any information is provided here. This is not medical advice anyway, but can be used for information purposes only. Always ask your doctor for medical treatment while necessary. That's all.